Hi there. In this video, we'll be covering the Scenarios tool. To get started, go ahead and hover over Tools and click on Scenarios. This will take you into the Scenario Builder where you can start inputting your information here on the left. You can get started by first entering in a security, which can be any portfolio, index, fund, or even stock that's in YCharts. For this example, let's go ahead and use a portfolio. You can also compare that portfolio to either its benchmark or any other security as well. Then you can go ahead and put in your start and end date for your scenario. For this example, I'll go ahead and see what would happen if I started my investment at the end of 2015 and ended that investment at the end of 2021. Now let's go ahead and put in 15,000 for the initial investment, which is where the scenario will start. Now that I've done that, I can go ahead and enter in individual scenarios. These scenarios start off by being able to enter in a name. And in this example, let's go ahead and do a monthly contribution. Type, you can select either a withdrawal or a contribution. And for data type, we could select either a percentage or a static value. In this example, we'll go ahead and say we're doing a contribution of 2,000 every month. For frequency, you can either select monthly, quarterly, annually, or one time. And lastly, you could select the start and end date of your actual scenario. So for this one, I'll go ahead and select the same time frame as the overall scenario that we're building. Now that I've done that, I can go ahead and click add. You can also add multiple scenarios in one, or you could just go ahead and click on calculate to see your results. Now that I've calculated, I can see the overall growth in value from that beginning stage all the way up until the end based on my contributions and withdrawals. As you scroll down, you can also get a bar chart that you can break out from either monthly to quarterly to annually to understand the exact amount that you're contributing or withdrawing. And lastly, there's a contributions table at the bottom, which can help you understand exactly how much you would be contributing or withdrawing based on the inputs on a monthly, quarterly, and annual basis. It's pretty useful that at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see the overall return based on your contributions, but also your return without those contributions, which could be helpful as you're talking through this scenario overall. Lastly, you can also save down these scenarios, which will help you if you're running through the same scenario over and over. You could just go ahead and click on this drop down and hit Save As and name that scenario. Then you can open it up at a later time once you want to run that same exact scenario again. To learn more about the Scenarios tool or YCharts, please reach out to your support contact.